like how I said in last episode, this episode we need to start working on the food. I did eat that piece of chicken. However, it only gave me that many hearts. So, whoa, lag spikes around the clock. We have enough for a bow. There's a creeper. Cow spawned. That is good news. Look at this. There are 2 baby cows and a baby chicken. Oh, we have giant mushrooms here too. Whoa, what's up with this lag? I gotta fix it, hold up. Let's do that. Okay, it's a little bit better. I wonder if we have any, red mushrooms. Giant red mushrooms. No, I don't see any. That's okay though. Oh, there's still quite a bit of lag. Here's a pig. 2 pork chops. Yes. And a couple more pigs. 1, give us 2. This is a wonderful view. This is why I wanted to do this, for the view of the Highlands. Because you gotta admit that there's some awesome sights up here. Looks even better with the clouds. It's kind of laggy. How many seeds do we have? 1 seed. We also get seeds from hoeing the grass. I remember that. Let's go. Spider. Cow. And we got some leather off of that. Which is good because we can get some armor. A feather for arrows. You gotta watch every step you take in the Highlands. This is so fun. We got some role playing too, and there's a pig down there. We got sheeps on the wall. 5. It's pretty good. And 2 steaks. And that's not the first. I'm gonna turn this around because I'm gonna think this is the furnace. Wow. That did not help at all. We can get some oak wood over here. And a hoe. Do we have any wheat? No wheat. This is where I'm going to have lunch every day, just looking off. I'm going to take this with us. Okay, let's go. With our hoe. 3 iron for a bucket. Always gonna forget something. bucket. Okay, now let's go. One more hoe. Let's just build another hoe. And a bow. Hoes and bows. Episode title. Maybe. Ooh, and a skeleton. Murdered. Okay, so. Ooh, another spider. We're gonna be getting a string. Wait, let's make this spider jump off. Or die midair. Shall we go for the jump? Or should we have a farm up here? I don't know, we gotta get water anyway. And that was a close one. We're gonna swim over here, hoe up the grass, get a bucket of water. We need 2 buckets to make a source, don't we? The lawnmower. The buckets to shore grass of the tall. And there you'll get seeds. They also destroy flowers. Didn't know that. Bad placement. Bad placement. So we're just gonna do it around like this. Oh, it's night again. Why does the night always have to come so fast? This is a natural waterfall that I made into an elevator leading to a staircase. Just like this. Then we go up here, torches so that mobs don't spawn. I should fix this roof too. And we run for it. Really fast. Like NASCAR. Let's go. Make sure no creeps fall on our heads. Oh, that's an Enderman. It looks short. Yo, is that a baby? What? What the? What is this? Oh shit, I looked at it. Maybe it went away. Don't go by the edges. Alright. That was scary. That was pretty cool. It's too high. If you didn't know, Endermen are normally 3 blocks tall. So that's why I thought that was weird. This is where we're gonna farm. This area. Oh look, there's water right here too. How convenient. I don't even need to go looking for sugar cane. Let's light it up so that no baddies spawn in here. Like that. One in the middle. And we're good. Do you have any dirt? We got dirt. We just wrecked a beautiful cavern. The power of the home. We should preserve this place. Maybe later. Like, oh, there's no water right there. Let's do this right here. There. Later, at a later part of the series, we're going to come back here. I'm going to put this down in the notes. We're going to come back here and turn this to its natural beauty. And we need more. This isn't going to work, is it? There. Let's add a torch right on top so that we know where it is. Because the wheat is to get seeds and get seeds of wheat so that we can get cows and the other animals that use wheat. I think pigs take apples though. Or is it carrots? Pigs don't use wheat. And now we are gonna build up this. Like that. And let's go. Let's get up here. I think I messed that up. Yeah. And we don't have an axe. No, not with smooth stone. We're gonna use the wood. Kind of like a floor. And we're out of wood. And this temporary lighthouse. almost done. I'm going to call this episode here. So this is the episode. Here's what we got so far. In the later stage, I'm going to come more prepared with more materials. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump down in the river here and look to see if we have any clay, so that I can make bricks out of this. And then, yeah, so we got bricks and bricks. So we need bricks, and I'm gonna check back on this food so that we can get some more. Oh jeez. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And that's how you kill it. Where are these spawning? Right here? They spawn right there. Hopefully I fixed that problem. And I'm going to see you guys next episode. First, let's eat dinner. Let's eat dinner, then I'll go. Right here. Beautiful sunset. And peace out.